Regimanuel Gray Estate in Freetown is a gated residential development located in the western area of Sierra Leone, offering modern apartments and flats with strong security, reliable utilities, and a reputation as one of the city's most desirable housing options.
Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, I am Mike. Today I am at Regimanuel Gray Real Estate Buildings, Real Estate Properties, and I want to show you one of the units at this estate, number 6 Ocean Street. I'm going to take you around this beautiful gated community. It has a seafront, at the same time it is a gated, very close to the city center, very close to various beautiful beaches, very close to schools, universities around. So guys, today join me as I take you around at this Regimanuel Gray Estate, specifically at number 6 Ocean Street. Let's go.
Touring this stunning double-story building with 2 Airbnb-ready apartments, over 4 spacious bedrooms, and a compound that's perfect for family living or investment. Property sits on a generous plot with a spacious compound, ideal for parking multiple cars, hosting outdoor events, or creating a lush garden. The modern architecture blends elegance with functionality. you will be having. The sound of the rhythmic waves crashing against the shore fills the air. When you open on a wide shot of an infidelity pool that seems to spill directly into the tortoise horizon of the Atlantic Ocean. The water is glass still, reflecting a cloudless sky. Most people buy a house for the square footage. Here, you will not be having just the square footage. You will be having a very good site, a very good, beautiful neighbors that you are surrounded with, a seafront view. At sunset, the entire living room of this particular unit turns gold. You don't need art on these walls. You just need to keep the windows clean. Most units in this estate could feel like boxes. This particular unit feels like a breath of fresh air. You can have everything that you want. The bedrooms are oversized, featuring a walk-in closet with custom cedar shelving and ensuite bathroom that looks like a high-end spa, complete with a soaking tub and a rainfall shower. Most units give you a house, but this one gives you a private ecosystem. The unit features well-sized bedrooms, each with built-in wardrobes and thoughtful layouts. The master suite comes with an ensuite bathroom, offering privacy and comfort. This particular unit at Regimanuel Gray isn't just about the unit itself. It's about the lifestyle. The residents enjoy 24-hour security, reliable utilities, and beautifully maintained communal areas. It's a community built for peace of mind and modern convenience. The kitchen, sleek cabinetry, modern appliances, and a plenty of counter space. Whether you are a casual cook or a culinary, this kitchen is designed to inspire. The estate offers a serene escape from the bustle of the city while still keeping you close to essential amenities. As we step inside the spacious living room, welcomes you with natural light pouring through large windows. The open plan design makes it perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests.
So guys, I'm with the person that is in charge of this beautiful unit, Mr. Eric.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, good
How are you,
morning.
Mr. Mike?
Fine.
Okay.
Happy
okay.
Easter. So Mr. Eric.
Yes, sir. Mr. Mike.
Yes, sir.
How do you do?
Not bad.
Okay.
So I just want you to tell us something about this particular unit at this estate.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, as Mr. Mike said, my name is Eric, and then I'm in charge of this property at Regimanuel Estate at Goderich. Yes. So this property, as you can see, Mr. Mike, you can see all the units here. They are all similar, exception of this one.
Okay.
This one is bigger than the rest here. Okay. And then it has the main house, which is about 4 bedroom with 2 kitchen, 2 balconies, a room for office, and then a storage room. That's the main one.
Wow, that's only the main building.
That's the main building.
Okay.
Yes. And then it has 2 garage where you can park 2 cars in the garage, and then the outside you can park as many as 4.
Okay.
outside. So you have a big parking space.
About six.
About
You
six.
can take about 6 vehicles.
Yes, that's at the one side, and then
Okay.
the other side too can take about 2. So in
Okay.
total,
It's
you have
about 8 vehicles.
8 vehicles.
Okay.
Right. And then we have extra properties at the back. There's an extension, which house the like maybe boys' quarters.
Okay, boys quarter.
Yes.
Or you say A and B.
Yes, that's no. We have the one for the boys' quarters.
Oh, you have the one for the boys quarters.
Yes. And we
Okay.
have like 2 rooms for maybe the owner can turn it to Airbnb.
Okay.
Can run, and he has an outside washroom, a general washroom that you can do your laundry and all those things. Is there?
Okay.
Even the main property also has a room for laundry.
For laundry.
Yes, but based on the outside one, that one you can turn into washroom, guest washroom, whatever you want to do. You can even convert it to your smaller cubicle, whatever you want to do. So that's the property.
So this actually tells you that this particular property is special than all the other properties
Exactly.
at this estate.
Exactly. If somebody doubts, the person can come to Regimanuel and do a tour.
Okay.
You realize that almost all the units are the same, but there's one particular that is different from all, and it's
Okay.
bigger than all of them.
Bigger than all of
Yes. Yes.
Is there any reason why this particular unit is so bigger than all the other units?
Well, I must say, the owner of the property has a bigger vision. So
Okay.
when he bought the property, he did some extensions.
Okay.
Yes, because of the kind of caliber he is.
Okay.
He has people coming in from Europe and other side of the world.
Okay.
So in majority wise, he did the extension. So when his people comes, they have a place to stay.
Place to stay.
A lot of rooms that he can house, and he's also a party man, you know.
Okay. He loves to chill.
He loves to chill.
Okay.
So when you're a chill type or a family type, this property cut across.
Okay.
Whether a family type, a chill type, a place for whatever you want to do,
Okay.
this property can serve you well.
Okay.
Yes.
So Eric,
Yes, sir.
there are several ways people can get onto you. Eh?
Yes, sir.
But I will state your contact.
Yes,
on
yes.
the
So
screen.
my contact is with Mr. Mike. Mr. Mike will place it on the screen. So
On the
anybody that
screen.
wants to get in contact with me, you take the number on the screen.
Okay. But I hope that it is reasonable for someone that wants it.
Mr. Mike, everything in this world is reasonable. It depends on who is making the offer.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
well, it's not a big thing when somebody can put the price, but you also have to bring your negotiation power on the table. So you can do business. It's on the cool price. Looking at this property and looking at the rest, it's on the cool price. But you can still make your offer though.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, guys, thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. You know, I'm going the extra miles to bring you the beautiful side of my city, Freetown. If you have any question, you can ask me, but don't forget to contact this number on your screen so that the person will give you full information about this unit and other units around this Regimanuel Gray